Replace work with work, break. My dear friend, this is Sir Jones, and welcome to this episode of the Sir Jones Show. Okay, so why am I telling you to replace work with work break? Here is why. If you're going to perform at a highly sustained level, if you're going to be very productive, then you must learn to take break in within your schedules to what? Refuel. Refueling is important, and true winners know this for a fact. So I'm here to encourage you, I'm here to remind you that if you're going to become the true winner you were created to be, you must develop the habit of refueling in between your schedules. Yes, don't go long hours of work, but for about 90 minutes, take 10 minutes break to refuel, to relax your muscles, take a walk, take some sunshine, drink some water, stretch your body, right? So I'm here to encourage you to replace work with what? Work break. This is something I learned from Robin Sharma's book, The 5 AM Club, and I think high performance coach Bernard Butaka also shares the same thing. Take a break within your schedule, work for like 2 hours or 90 minutes, and then take 10 to 15 minutes break to stretch your muscles, take some sunshine. That is how you live the winning life, and that is how you get to what? Perform at the highly sustained level, to be productive and deliver on your dreams, your goals, and make things happen for you. My dear friend, that is how we live the winning life. Choose today to schedule your day, but more importantly, schedule 15-10 minutes break within long stretches so that you can continue to perform at a highly sustained level. Hello my friend, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got inspired, I hope you got motivated. I hope you've taken something out of this video that you're going to apply so that your life can take a forward thing. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the red button that says subscribe. After doing that, you also hit this notification bell here so that YouTube can notify you anytime I publish a new video. That way you get to start your day with the Sir Jones Show. Thank you so much once again. Please stay motivated, stay blessed.